Chevrolet obviously did a lot right in 1969. Almost everything the company produced that year has achieved a wide following that seems to transcend several generations. Among that lineup, the '69 Camaro claims one of the largest enthusiast followings. The beneficiary of a detailed ground-up restoration, this awesome Camaro presently rolls in better than new condition. That detailed reboot began with a straight and solid body. That massage profile was sprayed in brilliant Hugger Orange 2-stage, complemented by bright white hockey stripes. All expected Supersport trim is present and accounted for, and today this spectacular coupe combines big block Chevrolet performance with old school MoTown style that literally defines American muscle. Open the doors and you'll find a Standard Ivory interior that's crisp and appealing. That restored cockpit is centered on fresh bucket seats. A crack-free dash hangs factory gauges next to modern direct-fit audio. Fade-free carpet floats monochromatic mats between ornate door panels and a traditional Hurst shifter. And the driver turns a requisite Supersport steering wheel. Pushing big horsepower straight from the factory, this Supersport's ferocious 396 cubic inch V8 is clean and ready to rock. That engine funnels power to a tough Muncie 4-speed, which spins a familiar 12-bolt axle. If you're in the market for some revered muscle with an unbeatable combination of style and performance, this first generation F-Body is the perfect candidate for your next classic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.